Exploring the Colossus of Rhodes, a wonder of the ancient world. Hello everyone. Welcome to One World, One Story. Today we will introduce you to the Colossus of Rhodes, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. This giant statue was once a symbol of victory and glory for the Greeks. And it is also one of the greatest architectural works in human history. If you are ready, let's get started. Part 1. What is the Colossus of Rhodes? A model of the statue in the past and a picture of Rhodes today. The Colossus of Rhodes is a giant bronze statue. Built in the city of Rhodes, located on the island of Rhodes in Greece. It was built to honor the god Helios, the sun god in ancient Greek mythology. With a height of approximately 33 meters, or equivalent to a 10-story building. The Colossus of Rhodes is considered one of the tallest structures in ancient times, and is considered to be one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Part 2. History of the creation of the Colossus of Rhodes. A simulation of the construction and plan of the city of Rhodes at that time. The Colossus of Rhodes was built between 292 to 280 BC. After the people of Rhodes were able to repel the invasion from the army of Demetrius Poliorcetes, Demetrius I of Macedon, and won a great victory. To celebrate this victory, the people of Rhodes decided to build a giant statue in honor of the god Helios, who they believed was the protector of the city. Chairs of Lindos, a famous architect and sculptor at that time, was responsible for the design and construction of this statue. The statue was made of bronze and iron, using materials recovered from the weapons of the defeated enemies. The base of the statue is made of marble, and the internal structure is reinforced with iron for strength. The construction took 12 years. When it was finished, the Colossus of Rhodes became a symbol of the city's prosperity. Part 3. The appearance of the Colossus. Replica of the statue and details of the design. The Colossus of Rhodes is a statue of the god Helios, standing in a majestic pose. Some legends say that the statue stands at the entrance to the port of Rhodes, with both legs spread out and a ship sailing under them. However, most historians believe that the statue was probably placed near the port on a large marble pedestal, because building a statue with its legs spread out would not be able to support its weight. The statue was designed to reflect the morning sunlight, making it look like the god Helios is shining brightly, which symbolizes the power and prosperity of the city of Rhodes. Part 4. The collapse of the Colossus. Replica of the earthquake and the collapse of the statue. No matter how great the Colossus of Rhodes is, but it could not escape the natural disaster. In 226 BC, a great earthquake occurred that caused the idol to collapse. The knee of the idol could not withstand the tremors. After that, the people of Rhodes decided not to rebuild the idol, because they believed that this event was a punishment from the gods. The remains of the idol remained in that area for hundreds of years, until in 654 BC. The remains were sold to Arab traders, and were melted down to get metal for other uses. Although the idol no longer exists today, its fame and importance live on in history. Part 5. The Colossus of Rhodes today. Image of the city of Rhodes today and the place where the idol is believed to have once stood. Today, although the Colossus of Rhodes has disappeared, Rhodes is still an important tourist attraction in Greece. The place where the idol is believed to have once stood is now Mandrake Harbor, represented by 2 deer statues. Rhodes is still full of historical traces and is a World Heritage Site that attracts tourists from all over the world who want to experience the history and greatness of the past. Part 6: The importance of the Colossus of Rhodes to the world. Replica of the statue in the past and pictures of tourists today. The Colossus of Rhodes is not just a statue, but also a symbol of the unity and greatness of mankind. This place demonstrates the capabilities of mankind in engineering and art, and has inspired later works of art and architecture. Although the statue has been lost to time, its story is still told, and is remembered as one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. A picture of Rhodes today and a picture of the statue in the past. How is it, everyone? With the story of the Colossus of Rhodes. A place that is not just a statue, but also full of history and greatness of ancient mankind. If you like this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our One World, One Story channel. See you in the next clip. Goodbye.